Hey everybody, my name is David and today we have a very special tutorial from a very great ManyChat educator named Rosinaldo Durado. He's here to reveal a new secret for your Instagram comments feature that will revolutionize your holiday campaigns. Take it away, Rosinaldo.
Hello ManyChatters, my name is Rosinaldo Dourado and I am a ManyChat certified expert and educator. I am here to show you a new feature about Instagram channel. Few people have noticed this change. But before I tell you what has changed, let me remind you about the Instagram comments feature. You probably know that you can ask your bot to watch your posts or reels on your Instagram feed. Here you can see that you only need to create a flow which is triggered by an Instagram comments growth tool. So, when people comment on your post or reel, ManyChat will send the first message of your flow to those people through direct message. You just need to remember that the first message of your flow needs to be set as comment reply. ManyChat can watch a specific post or only the next post or all posts on your Instagram feed. Also, you can define multiple different comment answers which will be public visible to anyone on the Instagram feed. Just one more important thing before I show you what is the change about Instagram comments. If people who has commented on the post do not interact with your first message via direct message, they can't receive the next messages of the flow. Use, for example, a button below the first message and connect that button to the rest of the flow. If people click the button, they become ManyChat contacts, leads. Until now, you could only use the Instagram comments feature organically. Now I'm going to tell you what is the great news. You can now promote or boost or create an ad for that post using the Ads Manager. Here you can see an example that uses an ad for a post, which is watched by ManyChat. As soon as I have commented, I received a direct message, as you can see here, and also an answer under my comment. And what are the benefits of using an ad together to Instagram comments? First, you can create a sales funnel to people who has commented on your post without needing to create a sales page. Second, you get more contact in your chatbot and you can talk via live chat during the next 7 days. Third, you will get more followers because some people will comment and also follow you. As you can see, Instagram comments together with ads are a complete new game and can amplify your results. If you speak Portuguese and want to know more about ManyChat, subscribe to my paid community named ManyChat Power. All you have to do is to follow me on Instagram.com/dreambuilderlab and send me the message power via direct.